Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the only way to get Google Play Store on iPhone. As you can see, I already have the app on my iPhone right now. It works super smoothly. As you can see, everything works very well, no problems at all, and the method to get it is actually very easy. It only takes around 5 minutes to get it on your phone. But before I show you all the steps, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open Safari. Now what you need to do is search for tap2apps.com with no spaces. Just type it exactly the way I wrote it on the screen. Okay, once you're there, just scroll down, find the Google Play app, and tap on it. Now go ahead and press Get. The installation process will begin. It might ask you to complete a couple of extra steps. After that, you should see the app appear on your home screen. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.